Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 5.2.9 and we're going to configure IP settings. So you just installed a new switch and you want to manage the switch from a remote location. In this lab, your task is to set up remote management for the switch as follows. Configure the VLAN 1 interface with the following. IP address is going to be 192.168.11.25. Subnet mask is going to be 255.255.255.0 rather. And configure the switch to use 192.168.11.254 as the default gateway. Verify the configuration using show run command. Save your changes to the startup config file. So let's start up. We want to go to the switch, click on the switch, and when this opens, inside the terminal we want to press enter, then type in EN, press enter, then switch configuration. Then we'll go ahead with INT space VLAN space 1, press enter. Then we type in IP space address space 168.168.11.250. So put in space 255.255.0, which is the subnet mask. So go ahead and press enter. Then we type in NO space shutdown then you press enter. Let's see. You want to type in IP space DEF space GAT space 192.168.11.254. Press enter or invalid invalid input detected. Okay. I think there's an error somewhere. Oh. So, okay, yeah, the problem is a typo error. It's a typo error. So, it's supposed to be default. Default gateway. Go ahead and press enter. So this is going to be switch show space running space config, press enter. And copy space run space start, press enter. So I guess we're done here. Let's go ahead and score lab and see how we do. So everything is correct, it's 100% score. So if you find this video helpful, consider joining my professional membership for videos that are now available here. And you can reach me through my email address. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.